What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and we have another awesome unboxing for you guys today. Let's go ahead and get in here. On top of this unboxing, I also have another new coin that I got in yesterday that I didn't record an unboxing for, but I may as well show it to you in today's video. So let's go ahead and get into this box. Got to cut it open the proper way and never cut it towards you, because you never want to damage yourself with a stab. You never want to stab yourself. All right. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this box, guys. Really excited. Now, there is a brand new coin in here that just came out, and additionally, the one that I want to show you just came out as well. So we have inside of this package, we have two packages, and this is the one that I already got in, that I already opened up, that I wanted to show you. We have another one of the beautiful Peanuts silver rounds. These are 1 ounce of 99 fine silver. And this one is the uncirculated Charlie Brown. I had to get some of these. Now, in my opinion, APMEX has been kind of overdoing it with the Peanut series. Let's be honest. They've done so many different designs of the Peanuts, but I had to get the Charlie Brown. I really did. They came out with like 6 or 7 new ones altogether. Only one was uncirculated, and I had a bunch of colorized ones that were in, plastic blister packaging. But I had to pick up some of the Charlie Browns, so really excited to share those with you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this package. You can feel that this has some, this definitely has tubes, this definitely has tubes. I'm not sure if there's loose stuff in this one, but let's go ahead and get her open anyway. So we'll cut through the top here. And yes, we do have tubes inside of here, so we'll go ahead and pull this tube out, and then we'll go ahead and dump these out right here. All right, so nothing else in that package. Let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, we do have some 2021 Australian kangaroos. They are random years, but it looks like that random year I got was a 2021. That's a 2021 as well. These might all be 2021s. Random years, 2021s, what's the difference, right? I was hoping to get something different. In fact, when I placed the order, I could have ordered 2021s, or I could have ordered random years. They were the same price, and so I just ordered the random years, hoping I would get something different. But we got 10 of the random year 2021 kangaroos. All right, let's go ahead and open up this tube and see what we have inside here. Go ahead and cut into the tape here. Pull it off. All right, so we did pick up some. I love these things. Now, these are not new to the channel, but man, they are gorgeous. Look at that, guys. And of course, we are recording in 4K. There's a little bit of scuffing on this one right there, but man, these are beautiful. If you guys got a 4K TV or 4K resolution on your monitor, definitely crank up the resolution. Let's get one more out of here just to see if it has a little bit less scuffing. That one was the top one. You can see the little bit there on the wings of the owl there. You can see where it was just kind of moving around. And same on the reverse. So, I mean, these aren't in perfect condition, but they're really, really nice. And I really like these. And to be honest with you, they're made to stack as poker chips. So when you put them together like this, they actually, and you can't turn them, they actually are locked in place just like a poker chip, which I think is really, really cool. So you see they have the poker chip edge there, which is really cool. I do like that a lot. And they're made to touch each other. Like, I'm not going to get mad about a little bit of scuffing on these as long as they're not incredibly beat up. Really cool. All right, so but the thing is we have seen those on the channel before. So what was new? We had the Charlie Browns, and what is in this package is also new. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, 1 second, let me get the invoice up. Okay, so in here are 2 blister wrapped packages, tubes of 20, of a new coin that just came out, and I wanted to pick some of these up. Now, these things are beautiful. I was really excited to take a look at these. Let's see. All right, so we'll look at this side first. So as you can see, we have Tequila 2021, $5 face value, 1 ounce of 99 fine silver. They're all encapsulated, and we have the 2021 1 ounce silver Porcupine fish. Take a look at that tattoo, porcupine fish. Look at how cool that is, guys. I really like the design on this. The background almost looks like a Charlie Brown finish, if you think, with the yellow and the black wavy lines. Anyway, I wanted to pick some of those up because I thought they were really cool. So we picked up a couple of tubes of these as well. These are really, really neat. So we got the tattoo fish, the puffers. We got the Charlie Browns. We got 20 of those. We have the 1 ounce silver Nui stacker owls, which I really enjoy these. And of course, we got 10 random date 2021 Australian kangaroos. All right, guys, well, that's it for our unboxing today. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, and all that stuff. It really helps us out. And we'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.